Hi, thanks for visiting our channel. I'm so happy you're here with me as we create this beautiful wedding stationery project together. Today, we'll be making personalized decorative papel picado banners using your cutting machine or plotter. Materials and equipment. To complete this project, you'll need 65 pounds or 80 pounds cardstock, glue, string or twine, your cutting machine and cutting software, our SVG file. You can find the download link in the video description. I'll be using Cricut Design Space, along with my Cricut Maker cutting machine. The downloadable SVG file includes 2 templates. One is a pre-designed template that features the text, "Our Wedding," ready to be cut. It consists of a single layer, as shown in the right side panel. By default, the template size is 8.06 x 8.37 inches. While you can resize it, I only recommend making it larger, as cutting it too small may create intricate details that could be difficult for your machine to handle. Make sure to adjust the size according to your cutting machine's capabilities. Now, let's personalize this template using elements available in Cricut Design Space. Start with a blank template. This file has 2 layers. The dotted folding line, the main template. Add text using the text tool in the left side panel. Type the names you'd like on the banner. For this example, I'll type Emma and Paul, short names. But keep in mind that you can use longer names if needed. Choose a font. I'll use Rye, a free font available on Google Fonts for both personal and commercial use. It has small decorative details inside each letter, a good thickness for cutting, high readability at this size. Font settings. Set the font size to 110 for both names. Apply a curve of 38 to each name. For the "and" symbol, I'll use Rockwell with a font size of 121. Important. Make sure to type all names in uppercase letters so that each letter touches the line's edges of the banner. You can slightly rotate the text or the "and" symbol to adjust the visual balance. To rotate, click on the text or symbol and use the rotation handles at the corners. Make sure the letters and symbols touch the edges of the template for proper cutting. Use the Align menu to center elements by selecting the layers. They will highlight in light blue in the right side panel. If a name is too short, like Paul, you can add decorative elements, such as hearts from Design Space. If a name is longer, you can slightly stretch the text to fit the template, once the elements are positioned correctly. Select all elements, text, symbol, and banner template. Open the Combine menu and choose Weld to merge everything into a single shape. If you're not satisfied, click Undo and adjust the elements before welding again. After welding, the fold line may be hidden behind the template. To fix this, send the template backward to reveal the fold line. Select both the cut design and the fold line, then click Attach. Now, the templates are ready to cut. Click Make It, and the cutting preview screen will appear. You'll need 2 mats for cutting. Cardstock sizes can be 8.5 inches x 11, 12 inches x 12, or a 4 size. I prefer to mirror the design for a cleaner result, though it's optional. For settings, I'll select cardstock for intricate cuts to ensure precise details. Cutting tips: use 65 pounds or 80 pounds cardstock or paper if you're experienced. Ensure your cutting mat has good adhesion. Check that your blade is sharp. With these settings, you should get a perfect cut, just like the one I'm showing here. Fold along the dotted lines at the top. Apply glue. And place your string or twine on the folded section. Fold the tabs over the string and press firmly with a bone folder. Your personalized decorative banners are now ready to hang. You can create as many as you need for your wedding decorations. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this project, subscribe to our channel for more creative tutorials like this. See you in the next video.